The thing is, it's very easy to be different, but difficult to be better. Johnny Ive. That line couldn't be more accurate when it comes to the iPhone 13 series. Yes, almost the same design as last year, but the improvements are, dare I say, monumental. So let's get into it. First, comparing last year's iPhone Max leather case versus this year's Silicone Max leather case. As you can see, much of the layout is the same. We have the microfiber inside with the MagSafe compatible with all the devices. It has the speaker hole cutouts instead of the opening. As you can see, the biggest difference is the camera hole punch out. The silicone case has a bit wider and more protruding camera hole case cutout. As you can see, compared to last year's 12 case, it's a little smaller and more inward, as you can see. As you can probably tell, there is no big gap of a difference between last year's model and this year's model. The biggest difference being the camera hump. As you can see, the power rocker is the same. The camera punch is bigger, it's a bigger module. And the volume rockers seem to be in the same place as last year, at least in terms of the cases. And now we're going to pay attention to the actual phone. It comes in 4 different variants, 128 gigabytes, starting at $10.99, all the way up to 1 terabyte for $15.99 if you want to waste some money. Inside we have the normal camera stickers, nothing fancy, and the SIM tool. And then of course we have the lightning connector to USB-C, comes standard. I'm not too disappointed in them not forwarding over to USB-C, as I do expect them to be wireless. As for myself, one of the main features that I was looking forward to is the 128 Hertz refresh rate. I'm not even gonna bother to even show that because you won't see it on the screen. But the camera phones are the biggest upgrade, as you have a telephoto lens, ultra wide lens, as well as the wide angle lens. Because of the similar design as last year's, this is getting branded as the quote-unquote S year, but the S years are great. This year they get to concentrate on the internals and the camera specs. This year supporting bigger sensors and components, with the newest feature being the new cinematic mode, which basically is portrait mode for video, but it can intuitively shift between focus between the foreground and the background. My biggest gripe with this, as you can only shoot in 1080p, but to be honest, it's kind of expected being this is a first gen software. Maybe software updates in the future would change things. This year also includes micro mode, which automatically switches up to when you're close up on a subject, and to me it looked great and I was extremely impressed with the results. Final thoughts I have, well, if you're coming from the iPhone 11 or older, it's a must-have. Improved battery life, you get a dope new camera features, bigger storage, and that's for all 13 models. I can't find a reason to tell you not to upgrade. At this point, choose the best phone and best size that you want. If you're on the iPhone 12 series, just wait until the iPhone 14. And that's it. If you like this video, like and subscribe. Follow me on all social medias under Sha Black. Thank you for watching. Peace.